Okay na yan. Lagi. Uy, may tao. Uy. Hindi. Nakita ka? Nakita ka? Nakita ka? Nakita ka? Dala-dala mo yan. Kuya JR, hello sa'yo Kuya JR. Good evening sa'yo Kuya JR. Makakapag na ako, ganyan. Okay. Simulan na natin ang saya.
The new Axe Effect. Smell ready for any vibe. The new Axe Effect.
May busog, pero may mang inasal busog. San ka ba?
Jai, hello sa'yo. Good evening sa'yo, Jai. Buena, hello. Good evening sa inyo, guys. Ayan, buti na lang marami kayo. Makinig kayo ng aming segment ngayong gabing ito. And I hope mag-i-enjoy kayo. There are times when I'm lying in my bed, how I go and cry from this stupid kid. In my eyes are like windshields on a rainy day, as we wrapped up, swelling as I keep on digging my face. It's cold out of mine. Heaven knows how and better I am. 'Cause this angel has flown away from me, living in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me, though I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Oh. Misty, hello sa'yo Misty. I'm so tired, I feel like catching all the wings, being up all night in this simple room. It puts me in a trance, where hopes and dreams come true. Now my lips are burning, and my eyes are hurting from these pills I make, still alight another cigarette just to pass my time. Oh, heaven knows how better I am. 'Cause this angel has flown away from me, living in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me, though I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Oh, oh, oh. evening sa inyong lahat, guys. Good evening, guys. Dito lang muna ako sa baba. Okay, sige. Sino yung mga gustong umakyat sa inyo, guys? Let's come up. Check. Check. My shadow dream I'm bending on the shelf. I saw you holding hands, standing close to someone else. Now I see all alone, wishing all my feeling was gone. I've gotta go for you, nothing for me to do, but one last cry, one last cry, before I leave it all behind. I've gotta put you out of my mind this time. Stop living life. I guess I'm down to my last cry. I was here, you were there. Guess we never could agree. While I sit sure on you, I need someone to rain on me. Mute. Until. Okay. Was gone. Gotta get over you. Nothing for me to do, but one last cry, one last cry, before I leave it all behind. I've gotta put you out of my mind this time. Stop living life. I know I've gotta be strong, 'cause around my life goes on and on and on and on. Hi, April. Parang hindi tayo magkasama kanina. I'm gonna dry my eyes right up to my mind. One last cry, one last cry, before I leave it all behind. I'm gonna put you out of my mind better this time. Believing in love, I guess sometime. I guess sometime. I guess sometime. It's on my list. Chubby, hello.
Hintayin natin sila.
Plus odor and stay fresh for up to 48 hours. The new Axe Effect.
Good luck to all athletes on the journey to Paris.
Ano? Bakit ngayon ka lang?
Bakit ngayon? All the hearts that never made it true, like a lovely melody, everyone can sing. Take away the words that write, set me free.
Hey!
You know we was sweet, we treat the life
Kakay babe, hello!
together to the moon. But where was you? No, it never came around. If it did, it never made a sound. Maybe I was flexible, listening to catching all the words, but then the name won't be back. But God, I miss the girl, and I go all the times for just to be closer to her than to me. You know we was a name, I never knew her, and love her just the same. I love you. Which time I found you, and the reasons that make her stay. I have learned to live a life apart from all the best. I can have the one I want, but do without the best. But how I miss the girl, and I go a million times around the world just to say she had been mine for a day.
Hey! Galing kay Jero.
Thank you.
Nax! Talaga naman si kay Jero. Pumapag-ibig na rin nata. This song is requested by one of my kasama here.
Bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon kung kailan ang aking puso'y mayroon ng laman? Sana'y malaman ko na darating ka sa buhay ko. Isang naghintay ako. Ikaw sana ang aking yakap-yakap, ang iyong kamay lagi ang aking hawak. At hindi kanya, at hindi kanya. Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan ang sarado kong puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At siya ba'y dapat ko nang limutin? Nais kong malaman, bakit ngayon ka lang dumating? Ikaw sana ang aking yakap-yakap, ang iyong kamay lagi ang aking hawak. At hindi kanya, at hindi kanya. Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit pinupuksan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At siya ba'y dapat ko na limutin? Nais kong malaman, bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At siya ba'y dapat ko nang limutin? Nais kong malaman, bakit ngayon ka lang dumating?
And that's my song. Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating by Ogie Alcacid? Requested by Raymond.
Ay, parang mapapaset up ako sa'yo.
Set up ka na, bilisan mo na.
Wait lang, saglit. Sakit ang
Asa na si ano? Oo nga, sobra. Sobrang init.
kasi.
Parang gusto ko lang tuloy maligo.
TV.
Ito yung mga
Sisikapin kong hindi na kita maaalala pa.
Sa buhay natin, mayroong isang mamahalin, sasambahin. Sa buhay
JB,
natin,
si Ate Morena nandyan.
mayroong isang bukod
JB, si Ate Morena nandyan.
isa.
Oo, nakita ko.
Ate Moreng,
Ibigin ng
invite
tapat,
mo.
di sanas pagkakataon, at para bang ika'y nilalaro ng panahon. May ibang nakikilala, at sa unang pagkikita may tunay na pag-ibig na madarama. Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala nang ako'y malaya pa, at hindi ngayon ang puso ko'y may kapiling na? Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala nang ako'y nag-iisa? Sino ang ibigin? Ikaw sana. Hey, Ate Morena! How are you, Ate Morena?
Ah, di ba? Mabilis lang kami nakita.
Di mo napapansin, sa bawat araw nakasama mo siya, kapiling